What if the greatest football player in the history was once told he was too small to succeed? What if a young boy fighting a serious medical condition went on to become a World Cup champion and inspire millions around the world? This is incredible story of
Lionel Messi.
a story of talent, sacrifice, heartbreak, and ultimate glory. From the street to Rosario, Argentina to the biggest stage in the world football. This is the journey of the Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi was born in June 24, 1987 in Argentina. From the moment he could walk, Messi had a football at his feet. His family quickly noticed his extraordinary talent. While other children play for fun, Messi streamed different. Football was not just a game to him, it was his entire world. By the age of 5, he was already playing organized football and showing skill far beyond this age. Everyone believed he had a special gift, but soon a major upset appeared. At the age of 11, Messi was diagnosed to growth hormones deficiency. The condition affected his physical development. Without treatment, his dream of becoming a professional footballer could not disappear forever. The medication was extremely expensive. His family struggled to afford it. Many people through this was the end of the Messi football journey, but they underestimate his determination. Messi continued training every day despite the uncertainty surrounded his future. In 2000s, everyone changed. FC Barcelona squad saw Messi play and were amazed by his talent. The club offered him the opportunity to join the famous academy La Masia. Most importantly, Barcelona agreed to pay his medical treatment. For Messi and his family, it was a dream come true. But expecting the sum offer meant leaving Argentina behind. At just 13-year-old Messi moved to Spain. A new chapter had begun. Life is Barcelona was not easy. Messi missed his friend and family back home. He struggled to adapt to a new country and culture. But whenever he stepped into the football field, everything changed. His dribbling was magical, his vision was extraordinary, his control seemed impossible. Coach quickly realized they were watching a future superstar. Messi rose through Barcelona youth system faster than everyone expected. In 2004, Messi finally made his first team debut for Barcelona. He was 17-year-old. Football world had never seen everything quite like him. Deposit his small size, defender could not stop him. His speed, balance, gravity made him unique. Fan now, they are witness of breathing a legend. At Guardiola era, everything changed when Pep Guardiola became Barcelona manager. Under Guardiola, Messi became the center, one of the greatest team in football history. Alongside legendary teammate, Barcelona dominated world football. They won leagues titles, Champions League trophies, and countless records. Messi performance became almost unbelievable. Week after week, he produced moments of magic, goal, assist, dribbles, and match-winning performance become normal, breaking records. At the year passed, Messi shattered record after record. He became Barcelona all-time leading scorer. He won multiple Ballon d'Or awards. Experts, players, and coaches began debating whether Messi was the greatest football player ever. His consistency was unmatched. His brilliance inspired millions around the globe. Argentina, despite the nominating club football, Messi faced consistent criticism with Argentina. His country reached several major final but failed to win. Each defeat increased the pressure. Some critics questions his leadership. Others doubted whether he could ever deliver international succeed. His disappointment became so painful that Messi briefly announced his retirement from international football, but he could not walk away. His love for Argentina was too strong. The comeback Messi returned stronger than ever. Years of hard work and perseverance finally paid off. In 2021, Argentina won the Copa America for the first time. Messi lifted a major international trophy. The celebration was emotional. A huge burden had finally been removed from his shoulder. But there was still one dream left, the World Cup. In 2022, Messi entered what many believed would his final World Cup. The tournament began with a shocking defeat. Critics once again questions Argentina, but Messi remained calm. He inspired his teammate and lead example. Match after match, Argentina improved. They come the final, one of the greatest match in the football history. When the final whistle blew, Argentina were world champion. Messi had complete football. The image of him lifting the World Cup trophy instantly became iconic. It was the perfect ending to an extraordinary journey. Lionel Messi's story is not just about football. It is about realizance. It is about overcome obstacles. It is about believing in yourself when others doubt you. From a young boy facing a medical condition to a World Cup champion, Messi proved the greatness comes from determination, hard work, and passion. His journey will inspire generation to come. This is why Lionel Messi is not just a football legend. He is one of the greatest athletes in history. Subscribe to Althor for more legendary sport documentaries.